Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Middleton, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right long-distance moving options to help you get to where you need to go, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We give you the right moving services to ensure that you get to your new location faster. Relocating is very overwhelming. Our team takes some of the stress away with the long-distance move. Let us make your move easier. Are you looking for the right Idaho moving company for your local move? Do you want to avoid heavy lifting? With the right local movers, you don't have to worry about doing all the hard work. The movers will take care of everything, even the packing and unpacking if you prefer. 3 men and a truck offers the right local movers for your needs. Our streamlined process will help you get to where you need to go sooner and with more energy. You don't have to do any of the hard work. A move that might take you all 3 days to complete, we can get done in an afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Middleton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.